The cryptoverse has seen emotional exposure throughout the course of recent years with a quick move. The interminable advancement of the space had stirred the send-off of LOOPRING. The stage means to determine the errors with respect to concentrated and decentralized trades. The center objective of the biological system has been to guarantee fast, secure, and exceptionally straightforward arrangements. The stage empowers high-throughput savvy installments and exchanging on Ethereum. It likewise hopes to expand the ability in building mixture arrangements by disposing of inefficacies. Intending to sack some LRC at the lows, yet questionable of its future possibilities. Stress not, as we decipher the conceivable LRC cost expectation for 2022, and then some. LOOPRING, LRC, price prediction for 2022. The new year has been super negative at LOOPRING's cost activity, as it has caused a precarious fall. Beginning the year with a sticker price of $2.0166, going through a downswing. The LRC cost lost 54.72% in gains before the month's over. Which prompted the month-to-month shutting cost of $0.9232. While the altcoin had represented an upswing to $1.233 until the primary 7-day stretch of February. Disturbances in the business coming about because of international pressures among Russia and Ukraine and uneasiness about Fed's rate climb. All in all, called for one more downtrend, which brought about LRC's cost brushing levels at $0.649. Recuperating from the destructions, a bullish spike in volumes helped LOOPRING close the quarterly exchange at $1.308. The subsequent quarter was unfeeling for the crypto business, as the disturbing monetary unrest of key organizations cleared a path for bankruptcies. Wherefore, FUD and alarm required the drawdown of assets. The projections of LRC's cost were the same than its main adversaries and industry mates. In the wake of shutting off gains representing more than 74%, the altcoin is buy and by changing hands at $0.384. LRC price prediction for Q3. Becoming formative and local area building drives, close by flourishing reception of the Zk rollups, could turn basic at LOOPRING's cost. Therefore, LRC's cost could chug up towards its greatest sticker price of $0.5. Alternately, Ethereum's consolidation to ETH 2.0 appearing during the second from last quarter would take a colossal portion of benefits, wherefore, LRC's cost could disintegrate down to $0.3741. Progressively, a straight projection of the cost could land the cost at $0.4318. LOOPRING's price forecast for Q4. A defer in Ethereum's change to POS, and the developing interest for a protected, high-throughput, and minimal expense convention would carry LOOPRING to the spotlight. In addition, developing user base and volumes would be supplemental in the impetus of LRC's cost. Because of which, the computerized coin could flood to a limit of $0.6251, continuously's end. Then again, the reducing position of the convention and stiffer rivalry could wreck the cost to $0.4515. All in all, obliged by a straight energy, the cost of LRC could land at $0.5146. LRC price prediction for 2023. LOOPRING would hit new achievements in the NFT space in 2023. The impending year could be mind-blowing for LOOPRING in the event that bulls essentially support the market pattern for a particular timeframe. Later the convention might outperform $1.014 before the year's over. Followed by much anticipated coordinated efforts like GameStop would open the entryways for bigger development. In the event that, on the off chance that an expected cooperation stays as talk, the LRC cost would flip well underneath $0.5429. With normal trading pressures, the cost would guarantee an ordinary cost of $0.7372. LRC price forecast for 2024. According to Into the Block, the holding centralization of LOOPRING sees a back and forth among whales and financial backers. While whales hold 43.69% of the tokens, financial backers are not a long ways behind, with a portion of 41.96%. That being said, retailers hold a more modest pie of 14.35%. Progressively, the attack of enormous cash advertisers could push LRC to its expected high of $1.512. Alternately, the below time held of LOOPRING being simply 7.4 months makes it similarly unpredictable. Wherefore, LRC could venture out to $0.8175 if there should be an occurrence of a bear run. Conflictingly, the normal cost could find its base at $1.063. LOOPRING price prediction for 2025. This speedy and stable stage can possibly reach $2.485 toward the following 3 years' end. In actuality, the cost would fall to $1.1963 in the event of a negative snare. Be that as it may, the convention would wind up exchanging at $1.735 toward the finish of 2025. In the event that the computerized resource stays remote from any outside impacting factors. What is LOOPRING, LRC? LOOPRING is as Krolop worked for Layer 2 arrangements, Layer 2 scaling convention. It is an open convention worked for the joining of decentralized crypto trades. The stage's intention is to empower high throughput, cost-productive installment and exchanging on the Ethereum blockchain. The stage has its own local token called LRC, which was sent off in August 2017. The convention could be used to pay charges on LOOPRING 2 Lira. Moreover, the stage has its own wallet with Layer 2 scaling. To empower a protected, natural, and powerful Ethereum experience in your pocket. The focal thought behind the stage is to blend components of decentralized and unified crypto trades. To deliver a symbolic that will empower the unmistakable advantages by killing the current shortcomings. Through managing sell and purchase orders in a concentrated manner yet fixing the exchanges on a blockchain. Also, converging up to 16 orders into round exchanges differentiation to empowering one-against-one exchanging matches. Crucial analysis. The LOOPRING establishment was established by Daniel Wang, who is by the CEO of the firm. The organizer is a programmer and a realized finance manager in Shanghai, China. Mr. Wang has finished his graduation in software engineering from the University of Science and Technology of China. Further, he achieved his Lord's from Arizona State University. Before the send-off of LOOPRING, Daniel Wang assembled information in various administrative and CEO positions in presumed tech firms. He was likewise a main programmer at Boston Scientific. What's more, he